Hey, top of the day, family. It's your favorite nurse topreneur, Alicia Dion, and I'm so excited to be here with you today. Now, I don't know how you're getting this information, but if you happen to find it on YouTube, go ahead, like the video if it's been beneficial to you. Definitely subscribe to the channel, hit that little notification bell so you can be notified anytime we drop new content. Of course, I'm speaking to my travel buddies again today. If you are interested in becoming a travel agent, this is for you. Now, again, my name is Alicia. I call myself the nurse turned entrepreneur. And this particular video is for anybody who loves to travel or you desire to travel more. Maybe you want to make some more money. I don't know if you're like me, you're ready to meet new people, you are at that stage in your life, or maybe you just want to save on your personal travel. Whatever it is, you are in the right place at the right time with the right people right now. Now, if you've looked into the travel agent business before but haven't moved forward, I want you to go ahead and lock in. Grab pen, grab paper so you can take some notes, or maybe you've been in the business before, but it just wasn't the right time and you didn't find yourself getting the success you wanted to. I'm going to tell you to lock in as well and allow me to coach you. But go ahead, grab pen, grab paper so you can take some notes as well so you can get ready to dive back into this business. Because one thing I will tell you with all conviction, it absolutely works. Now, a little bit about me. It's boring, but here it is. I am Alicia Dion. I'm a wife. I'm a mom of four. I'm a retired nurse turned entrepreneur, guys. I also founded a nonprofit that we ran successfully for about 10 years. I actually started my journey in the travel industry in 2014 simply because I wanted to save on the travel that we were doing anyway, guys. I began to take this business seriously, however, when I saw the kind of income that we were missing out on and how ordinary people like you and I, they were generating a full-time income. However, they were working this business on a part-time basis. So I really began to pay attention to see what it was that I really had in the palm of my hand. And I'm so happy I did because I began to share this opportunity with others who are also looking to travel and save on the travel that they were doing so they could do more of it, right? I became one of the top income earners within my company just by helping people save on what they were going to do anyway. Not only that, my husband and I, we received numerous awards. We actually received the top new player of the year award from our company simply by helping people and growing our team. And we want to absolutely help you do the same. Now, of course, we're talking about travel. So when you come into the travel industry as an agent, you're going to book travel for others, but you're also going to open up access for yourself. So when I'm talking about trips, and more trips, you're going to have access to that. We've had the ability to take some amazing trips and build amazing relationships in this industry, guys. Not only that, we've been able to travel with our family as well as our friends, and we're just getting started. Now, education is important when you come into the travel industry, and you're going to have access to unlimited education. You decide what your niche specialty is going to be, and we're going to help you achieve whatever goal that you actually have within the travel industry. Here are a few travel agent certifications that I've received over the past years. This is not all of them. It's what I was able to pull really quickly to definitely do this presentation. And of course, I'm booking travel for others and earning commission, but I'm also building a team to help other people start their business as well. These are a few team members that I wanted to highlight. Miss Tanisha out of San Antonio, Texas. She's a full-time nursing student, and I call her a part-timepreneur, guys. She's one of our top travel bookers. She loves to travel, and you can find her on Facebook at Tanjax Travel as well. And Miss Shamia is a junior high school assistant principal as well as a doctoral student, guys. These are busy, busy people, but they're making time to build their businesses as well. Now, she's one of our top travel bookers as well. She's an avid travel lover. She just came back from Jamaica, Mon, and she's a member of Delta Sigma Theta sorority. So maybe you have some similarities in these people as well. And if they can do it, guess what? Like the slide says, you can do it too. Now, take the risk out of starting your own business, right? By partnering with the host agency. And what does that mean? We're partnering with the host agency. We don't have a brick and mortar business, guys. Why we chose a host agency is very, very simple. They have a proven business model that's already in place. They're going to give you access to your website, your back office accounting, marketing, your customer acquisition tools. They're already in place. So you don't have to create that for yourself. The supplier relationships are already established. And I'm going to talk about this for just a bit. When you start your own travel agency, do you understand that you have to create and curate supplier relationships? Just because you want to sell Disney does not mean they have to let you sell Disney. You have to have those established relationships, right? So these relationships are already in place. So you get to book travel based off the relationships that have been created many, many years ago. And guess what? You get your travel agent credentials right away. You don't have to wait. We like to say you can earn while you learn. And that's one of the benefits or the many benefits of partnering with the host agency. You don't want to come out of pocket 15 to $20,000 to start your own agency, guys. Minimum startup costs, and guess what? You have the established relationships and you have the credentials to begin earning right away. Now, we're going to take the risk out of it. And many times I'm also asked about contracts or quotas. We're going to go back for just a bit. My finger is running a little bit ahead of my slides. But guess what? You build your business at your own pace. We do not have any contracts or quotas. And what does that mean for you? You're not obligated to book a certain amount of travel. No obligations at all. No penalties, guys. You decide when and where you want to work and how much you want to work. If you don't want to book travel this month, guess what? You don't have to. It's absolutely your business. You build it how you desire. And that's one of the great things that I love here because I do many, many different things. And if I don't book travel for this month, I don't want to be penalized. Now, another question that I'm always asked: am I required to build a team? And the answer is absolutely not. No team building is required here. If you decide not to build a team, great. If you decide to build a team, that's great too. Our travel agency is not an MLM. We're going to dispel the myth. We are a licensed and bonded global travel agency, been in the travel industry for over 25 years, and our travel agency focuses on building travel and travel alone. However, we do share an exclusive relationship with a marketing firm, right? That marketing firm allows you to start your agency if you so desire. This company sells travel agencies and would get you into our host agency. They are two very, very different companies. You must have a sponsor ID of the person who actually referred you. And here's our sponsor ID on the screen, guys. It's Bama Travel if you're ready to get started. But two separate companies, they have two separate goals that they have to meet. One is booking travel, one is starting travel agencies. And I hope that clears the air on that. Now, if you're ready to get started, it's a simple process. Very, very simple. Of course, as I stated on the previous slide, you must first enroll as a Planet Marketing representative. You can go to planetmarketing.com. You see it here. Once you complete the enrollment process, guys, as a rep, go to your virtual office. You're going to be in it once you sign up. Scroll and click the red Purchase Your ITA Now button to become an independent travel advisor. But as I stated, you do not have to build a team. That is for people who are looking to not only book travel, earn commissions, but also build a team on the marketing side of the business. If you desire to become a travel agent and a travel agent only, as I stated, you do not have to help people build their own agency if that's not up for you. You must still have the sponsor ID of the person who referred you, and you can go to the link here to absolutely get started. Now, guys, here's the thing. If you signed up, your agency is active, and I'm going to say congratulations to you. Be on the lookout for two emails, one from the marketing firm, if you're building that side of the business, as well as one from our host agency. Both of these emails contain important information, so please bookmark them for your reference at a later time. Here's the thing, you want to hang on to that because all of your credentials for your back office are going to be located in these emails. If you're booking travel, as a travel agent, you're going to have all of the credentials such as your CLIA, your ARC, your IATA. This, when you begin to book travel, lets suppliers know that I'm partnered with this particular host agency and I am to be paid. So if you don't want to miss your commissions, you want to hang on to this information, guys. You will also find the contact info of your sponsor. Send them a quick text once you actually start your agency to let them know you're in so you guys can begin conversing back and forth. They're actually going to add you to our private team Facebook group and tag you in our welcome documents to help you get started right. So don't skip out on this important part of the process. Review the welcome posts within our team group and just simply follow directions. We have a well laid out system that helps you get started without a hitch, guys. It's absolutely foolproof. And guess what? You can automate this process for agents that you introduce to the business as well. It's important that you also set up your one-on-one coaching session, with your sponsor. Here's my Calendly. If I sponsor you or my husband sponsors you, get on our calendar right away so we can go ahead and help you get started right as well. Take a tour of your back office and be sure to complete the Fast Start training because simply when we begin to talk, and we're on that one-to-one, we're going to ask you these very important questions. Have you done this? Have you done that? Have you looked at your welcome email? Have you taken a tour of the back office? Get all of this done so you can begin to start your 30-day success story. Now, I don't care if you're on the business builder side of the business. It doesn't matter if you're just on the travel side of the business. It can even be saving on your personal travel through the information that you're learning, guys, through the travel agent business. It's very important that you create that 30-day success story. And we're here to help you along the way. I hope this information has been beneficial. If you're still teetering on the edge, whether you should start your business or restart your business, there is no time like now. This is Alicia Dion. Guys, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you on the other side. Bye.